Reliability, know-how and customization are the three key factors that make our company the ideal partner that has been manufacturing buckets and a wide range of high-quality equipment with care and passion for more than 55 years. We offer a wide range of high-performance products that are designed according to specific customer needs and for different sectors, including quarrying, mining and earth moving. Flexibility and consistent production capacity allows us to create heavy and big-size products. Our qualified technical team works closely with the customer using the best 3D design software and performing FEM analysis for each product. We have been team members of the Hardox wear parts circuit for almost 20 years, and we only use the highest quality wear resistance and structural steel, such as the different types of Hardox produced by the Swedish steelworks SSAB, which will soon produce fossil-free steel.
The quality of our products is recognized worldwide thanks to our unique production process, which includes lean production process, use of latest generation CNC machine, high standard of the welding process, exclusive use of furnaces for preheating and welding stress relief, welding quality control, performing magnetoscopic and ultrasonic tests. All these include us among the certified supplier of the main excavator and wheel loader manufacturer in the world. Known for buckets, we deliver solutions. Come to visit us on our website and on LinkedIn.